Introducing the sleek and stylish 2021 Volkswagen Golf Life 1.0 TSI 110HP 5-door in black. This estate comes fully loaded with comfort features like air conditioning, cruise control, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Safety is a top priority with multiple airbags, ABS, and collision avoidance braking. The chrome package and roof rails add a touch of sophisticated style to this practical vehicle. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can have peace of mind on the road. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us today or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on this amazing Volkswagen Golf Life.